Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? I think you are all fine and feeling good. MashaAllah, this is the lesson number one, the alphabets, Arabic alphabets. You see here, Arabic alphabets. So, we start the first lesson, lesson number one, with ta'awuz and tasmiya. Ta'awuz means A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, and tasmiya Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Every word we start with Bismillah and A'udhu Billah. The work is done very well with the mercy and grace of Allah Almighty, inshallah. So in alphabets are the building blocks. So we need special attention in instruction. We have read this thing. So this is the building blocks. So if we fully command on these letters from Alif to Ya, so inshallah we have easy to read the Holy Quran very well, fluently and correctly, inshallah. The main thing is to how to pronounce these alphabets of Arabic, how they spell is, and how they sound, how we pronounce it. Main thing is this. So we start now. The first one, the first letter of the alphabets is Arabic alphabet is this one is Alif. 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 The second one is Ba. 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 And you know here you see also Ba has one dot at the bottom or one dot below Ba. This is the sign. We understand Ba by this sign. One dot below or one dot is below Ba. Okay, here is the one dot. Ba has one dot and below the letter. This is the sign of Ba. Okay. Next is Ta. 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 Ta has two dots at the top. This is the sign of Ta. Two dots you see on the top of the letter. Ba and Ta is same in shape. You know Ba. The color is just for your understanding. Ba is in black color and Ta is another color. So the shape of Ba and Ta are same. So just the difference between Ba and Ta is that Ba has one dot at the bottom and Ta has two dot at the top. And the next letter is this one is Sa in orange color. The color is just for understanding. So the shape of Ba, Ta and Sa are same. The difference between Ba, Ta and Sa is Ba has one dot at the bottom. Ta has two dots at the top. Sa has three dots at the top. This is the sign of Sa. Sa has three dots and the dot is on the top of the letters. This is the sign by which you understand the Sa. You see three dots on a letter like this, so you read it Sa. And if you see two dots on a letter, it's Ta. And if you see one dot at the bottom, so this is Ba. The next one is Jim. Next one is Jim. Jim. And Jim has one dot at the middle. Yes, Jim, you see here is the one dot at the middle. This is Jim. Next is Ha. Listen the voice and the pronunciation. Ha. Ha. And now again the same thing. Jim and Ha are same in shape. They just one thing is different between these two letters is Jim has one dot at the middle, but Ha is empty, null. Ha has no any letter. The same shape is same. So we different between Jim and Ha is that Jim has one dot at the middle and Ha is empty, null, no any dot. Okay, and then another letter is the next letter is Kha. Kha. You also understand by the voice the pronunciation. This Ha without a dot is Ha. Ha. It's light. And this Kha, this one is with a dot on the top is heavy. We read this one, the green color, the one dot at the top. We read this one heavy. Kha. Kha. And this is Ha. Ha. Light. Okay, and this is heavy. Kha. And now these three letters Jim, and the other is Ha, and the next one is Kha. Same in shape, but the voice is different. First one is Jim. Jim is has one dot at the middle. This is the sign of Jim. We understand by this thing. This is Jim, the one dot at the middle. Next is Ha. We understand that Ha is empty, and we read the empty Ha without a dot. We read it light Ha, and the other one, the next is Kha with a dot on the top. This Kha we read it heavy. This is the difference between this thing and this. The heavy Kha sign is that one dot at the top. This is the Kha, heavy Kha. Okay, so we once again repeat from Alif. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha. And also we read in another pattern for understanding more and fully understanding, like Alif. Alif is empty. Another reading method type of reading is this one. Alif. Alif is empty. Ba. Ba has one dot at the bottom. Ta. Ta has two dots on the top. Sa. Sa has three dots on the top. Jim. Jim has one dot at the middle. Ha. Ha is empty. Kha. Kha has one dot at the top. So, dear student, this is our today lesson. Inshallah, the next lesson we start from Dal, the new letter, inshallah, tomorrow. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care, inshallah. See you tomorrow. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.